Mm-hmm.
How dicey is it to train Syrian rebels on actually handling materials? Well, I think on the one hand, these are the individuals that are going to be particularly into some of these sites.
What is it, boy?
What? What happened? What?
What's happening? What is it? Who did that to you? Who's doing that to you? Over there.
Freaking out.
What is it? Who's messing with your ears? I'm not. Look. It's a ghost.
Get your claw off there.
It's a ghost. I'm telling you, it's a ghost. The ghost hunter. It's a bug. Give it to him. Floss. Floss your teeth.
Here, turn this way.
Floss. Floss. Go.
Wait.
Floss your teeth. Lower it so he can floss.
Wait.
Floss. 1, 2. Get the back. 3, 4. Hit the front. 1. Good boy. Floss your teeth every day. Dog will show you his own way. He's a good boy. He keeps up his dental hygiene very well. Yeah. So give it to me. Give it to me, bitch.
Then a girl-on-girl fight calling cameras tonight why 2 Florida parents are facing criminal charges.
Cool.
And a South End institution set to close its doors after more than half a century in business.
Whoa.
Wait. I'm going to zoom. Go back.
That ended up being a criminal case. The trial against former San Fernando City Council member Maribel Dimatori got
Okay, bye.
One more.
One more?
and it wasn't a shopping day, but the shepherds were working non-stop with just 2 weeks until Christmas.
Give it to him.
Bye, Toad.
Give it to him now.